The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Steve Jobs. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Walt Whitman. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. William Butler Yeats.